Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about we need to simplify this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b plus a multiplied by a plus b. So this one, that is about sin x squared everything to the power of 2. And this one, we have cosine x squared everything to the power of 2. This one, we need to transform into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So this one equals to number 1. And this one, that is about this one. Now we need to transform into sin x minus cosine x and sin x plus cosine x. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. So we have sin x plus cosine x. That is the end. Thank you for watching.